Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Transcendent Envoy, followed by Stern Dismissal, Final Flare, Omen of the Dead, Omen of the Hunt, Funeral Rites, Eidolon of Philosophy, Dreadful Apathy, Cetizen Skirmisher, Iroa's Blessing, Mire Triton, Sea God Scorn, Favored of Iroas, Shatter the Sky, Our Land is a Forest, and we have an Arena promo card. So again, we have a forest. Shatter the Sky, which for 2 and 2 white, it's a sorcery that says each player who controls a creature with power 4 or greater draws a card, then destroy all creatures. So this is a board wipe with upside for the entire board, right? Potentially everyone can draw a card. So that's why it's a little bit of a cheaper board wipe at 2 and 2 white. But it's a great just reset button, right? You see that the board state is just getting out of control. Play this. Hopefully you're the only one getting to draw a card. If not, hopefully then no one is. Hopefully your opponent or opponents aren't. And then just wipe the board and start fresh. Not fresh, but start with no creatures and get a chance to maybe kind of get back under control, which is what you're really looking to do with this, is swing things back in your favor. Speaking of favor, next we have Favored of Iroas. Then Sea God Scorn, Mire Triton, Iroas' Blessing, Cetizen Skirmisher, Dreadful Apathy, Eidolon of Philosophy, Funeral Rites, Omen of the Hunt, Omen of the Dead, Final Flare, Stern Dismissal, and Transcendent Envoy. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.